We're in another great no HOA community over in Laguna Beach.
I'm so excited to show them this. We're right here close to the water, and hey, we can see the water from the house.
Let's go.
Britt, I love this backyard. It's so big.
Absolutely, a great little oasis here in Laguna Beach, and the exterior is no joke either. It's built to last, Hardieboard, siding, impact windows, shutters. They figured it all out.
Well, let's go show them.
Let's do it. Oh, hey there. We're checking out this cute little home over in Laguna Beach. As you can see, open concept kitchen to living space, nice tall ceilings. We've got a little bit of extras with crown molding, light coming in off of this gorgeous Florida front porch. Off of the main living space, we also have a guest bathroom and a guest bedroom. Let's go check out what Heather has to say about this new construction home.
Thanks, Britt. Welcome into one of the en-suites. I don't think there's a main ensuite here. Both bedrooms are large with these high ceilings, and they both have their own ensuite. There's a third bedroom up front that has a bathroom right outside, and that would be used for your guests. And a little something extra for both of these bedrooms is the laundry room is right between both of them. Very convenient. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like these.